Hello everyone, I'm Babak from Samira Pro Beauty. Today we talk about Morpheus8, a treatment that can help firm your skin, reduce fine lines, and improve texture. If you want smoother skin, stay with me. I'll show you how it works. Morpheus8 is a special treatment that uses microneedles and radiofrequency energy. It goes under the surface of your skin to encourage more collagen and elastin. This can help with wrinkles, scars, and loose skin. Firmer skin. It can lift areas that feel loose. Fewer wrinkles, fine lines become softer. Fading acne scars. The tiny needles help your skin rebuild. Suitable for many skin types. Radiofrequency is gentle on different tones. Some people ask, why not regular microneedling or just a laser? Morpheus8 goes deeper than normal microneedling. It uses radiofrequency heat inside the skin, helping to boost collagen more effectively. Lasers work on the skin's surface, while Morpheus8 can target deeper layers, making it extra versatile. At Samira Pro Beauty, we offer different treatments, but Morpheus8 is special for those who want deeper skin improvement with minimal downtime. Many clients at Samira Pro Beauty ask, when will I see a change? You might see some improvement right away, like a little tighter feel, but real results often appear after a few weeks as new collagen grows. Usually we recommend a series of sessions, maybe 2 or 3 spaced a few weeks apart for the best outcome. First, we clean your skin and apply a numbing cream to reduce discomfort. Then, the Morpheus8 device uses tiny needles to deliver RF energy. You might feel a mild prick or warmth, but it's generally tolerable. After treatment, the area can be red or slightly swollen, but it usually calms down quickly. You need to keep the skin moisturized and sun protected, not completing the series. One session might help, but multiple sessions really boost results. Ignoring medical history, always tell us if you have conditions or take certain meds. Expecting instant final results. Give your skin time to rebuild collagen. If you want more details on Morpheus8 or other treatments, like laser hair removal or permanent makeup, please subscribe to our channel. We'll keep sharing tips to make your skin journey easier.